Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Portfolio Management Framework for yield discipline. To begin with, yield discipline means choosing dividend investments with balance, not just chasing the highest yield. A strong dividend portfolio should focus on sustainable yield, reliable coverage, and long-term growth. This approach can help investors build income while also managing risk over time. First, define your income goal. You should decide how much dividend income you want monthly or annually. Then, match that goal with your time horizon and risk tolerance. This is important because your income goal should guide your yield choices, instead of letting random high-yield stocks decide your strategy. Next, choose a reasonable yield range. For example, a conservative yield may be around 2 to 3%, while a balanced range may be around 3 to 5%. Higher yields above 5% may provide more income, but they usually need extra caution. Therefore, higher yield is not always better unless the income is supported by strong fundamentals. After that, focus on dividend safety. This means reviewing the payout ratio, checking earnings strength, and looking at cash flow coverage. You should also prefer companies with a reliable dividend history and a strong balance sheet. In simple words, safety comes first because a dividend is only valuable if it can continue over time. Furthermore, balance yield with growth. Some investors focus only on current income, but dividend growth is also important. A moderate yield combined with steady dividend growth may perform better over the long term. Reinvesting dividends can also help your portfolio compound and increase future income. Then, diversify by sector. Instead of putting too much money into one high-yield stock or one high-yield industry, spread your investments across different sectors. This can reduce risk and help create a more stable income base. Diversification protects cash flow when one company or sector faces pressure. Next, watch for yield traps. Extremely high dividend yields may sometimes signal trouble. For example, a falling stock price can push the dividend yield higher, even when the company is becoming weaker. So, always check for dividend cuts, weak cash flow, heavy debt, or business problems before trusting a high yield. In addition, set clear portfolio yield rules. You can define a target portfolio yield range, limit position size in riskier high-yield holdings, and combine core quality holdings with selective higher-yield positions. This helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. After that, review and rebalance periodically. You can review your portfolio quarterly or semi-annually, depending on your strategy. If yield risk becomes too high, or one position grows too large, you may rebalance. You can also trim weaker positions and reinforce quality holdings. The goal is to review carefully, not overtrade. Overall, the main principles are simple. Sustainability is more important than headline yield. Quality matters more than quantity. Income stability is important. Diversification protects cash flow. And long-term discipline supports compounding. For a simple example, if a portfolio is worth $500,000 and the dividend yield is 4%, the expected portfolio income is $20,000 per year. When divided by 12 months, that equals about $1,667 per month. Therefore, the core idea is that strong dividend portfolios aim for sustainable yield, reliable coverage, and long-term growth. Yield discipline helps investors avoid risky shortcuts and focus on building income that may last. This infographic is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Dividend yields, payout safety, stock prices, taxes, and returns may vary. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.